Whakaalofa tu mākou, welcome back. I had a shop.
If you're looking for a group, just make sure you have the right Good Home.
I'm sure this is the one.
Good Home Mt Eden?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope so. I'm here at the Good Home Mt Eden for a farewell. Work friend from work who I've known for more than 10 years has finally sold up in Auckland and on their way to Tauranga. Her name is Alison. So I'm the first one here. I'm gonna grab a feed. I don't drink, so I just buy food. And yeah, hopefully people from my work will jump on. I bet you most of them won't because they're shy. Yeah. This is right in Mt Eden, not far from the prison. It's called the Good Home. So I'm gonna check the menu right now. Just finished the steak. Man, that was one of the best steaks I've had anywhere. Goifanga. It was the Angus ribeye. Ooh, I don't even know what was on it, but the sauce was delicious. So, yeah. Now I'm relaxed now. I'm just waiting for everyone to arrive and see what happens. Okay. Outside here, one of the what part of the furniture?
Yeah.
There's a senior, one of the senior staff at my work.
One of the doctors.
One of the Dr. HP. The real HP boys. Do you want to say something to Alison? Say something? Man, a few words, but this guy holds it down. Yeah. H. Henry. Oh, Henry.
That's all.
If you're ever out in town, you know, say hi to this guy.
Oh, it's close to my face.
I can't stand. You have to hold it. You have to hold it close because it can't.
Okay. Well, this is very close. Wait, can I fix my hair? I look like a boy. Hi, Alison. I just want to say I'm gonna miss you a lot. Hi, Alison. I'm recording you a message. What else? I'm gonna miss prank calling you. I did my last one today. It was a bit emotional. We love you. Take care. I will see you in Tauranga. Bye.
You want to say something else? Say something for safety.
I love you all. I'm gonna miss you. I've had a blast. It's been awesome. Look after yourself. Take care. Bye for now.
Yeah, Alison, 25 years, gonna miss you and wish you all the best in Tauranga. Gonna miss your seawalk. No, gonna miss you a lot. Yeah.
Oh, hi, this is to Alison. Hi, Alison. It's been nice meeting you, even though it was a short time. And I wish you well for the future and your retirement in the lovely Bay of Plenty. Take care and hopefully I'll run into you again. All the best.
You want to say something to the camera, Mira?
Hi, sending message to
Alison.
Alison, I love you so much, and you are the first person who explained me how to get into CFU because it is really hard.
Come out.
I'm not ready.
Meg. You want to say something?
No. Alison, do you want to say something? Oh. I know.
It's for Alison. Oh,
Hold it, hold it, hold it.
No, I don't want you to
Can't hear you.
They can't hear me. Okay. Do I look cute? How do I press record? Oh, it's already recording. Oh, okay. Alison, we love you. You drive me crazy, but I love you lots. Me too, Alison. I've already done my message. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, guys.
You can tell.